This is CoolerMaster N300 computer case. It's middle tower, meaning slightly bigger case with a really nice black finish. It has plenty of perforation for fans from one side, from the top, from the other side. From the bottom. It has really nice black finish even in the rear. It's set as many of the other gaming PCs with the PSU fan at the bottom, breathing in the air from below the case and breathing out of the case space. It should have enough space even for the long graphics card. It has plenty of space for the hard drives or DVD drives. It has cables for having both USB 3, USB 2 and headphones out. It has two fans, one in the front, one in the rear.